To make this kaftan, I'll first show you in a piece of paper. Imagine this paper to be your cloth and we'll give it one fold. Now fold it from the sides only to the extent of the arms you want and to your hips width. Just fold it with a rough idea. Now on this folded side we are going to make our neck. We'll extend the shoulders till the sleeves that we require. Similarly, we'll mark it to the other portion of the paper, measuring the full length of the sleeves. From here, we'll mark our arm width. After the arm width will be our chest portion. We'll make a waistline and extend it to the hip line. Now we'll measure the same arm width on the other part of the paper. And then draw the line this way. Now I'm showing you the cutting part. These parts will be cut together. Now from here we are going to cut this separately. This is how our cloth will look after opening. Now with the help of the markings, I'll show you the portion which we have to stitch. We'll stitch both the shoulders and the side lines, leaving the arm width. All this dash line has to be stitched. Now we'll make a hole and mark it where we will insert the belt. We'll extend this point a little so that belt can be inserted. And this is how our one-sided kaftan will be ready. Very smart to wear and very much in trend. I'll show you how I am doing it on the cloth. This is like 2.5 meters of cloth. I have simply placed a well-fitted kurta here to give all the markings. Now we will hem the neck, stitch the shoulders and stitch the sides as I have shown in the paper. I finished doing that. Now we'll make a hole on the waist. After making the hole, we will stitch the edges of it by double folding it. We'll make a belt for the waistline, and for that I have taken this black cloth. And this is how my kaftan turned out. How did you find it, guys? If you found this video useful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.